Yeah, what's up? Big up. Shout out to Gene, shout out to Max, shout out to niggas out town, out industry. Yeah, I got a freestyle here, man. I'm just trying to live, I'm trying to hustle. Yeah, okay. I got a recon dog. If you're playing in the game, this is how you better grade up now cause I'm doing big. Kenya nigga rogue now, rolling down blocks. Man, roll up the jet, stay high like I live for them. Check out how I roll rich like rich homie. Niggas wanna screw me, I'm ready for your shit. I'm TBA rap king in the industry. I'm not flexing, just the fact that I'm a dream chaser. My dream's valuable, cause I'm confident. If I'm wrong, bitch suck my testicles on NTV. The niggas don't wanna wish me well, not even little bit. They say I can't make it, fans believe me, I'm the only one to get the job done, yeah. Jin my nigga, he can do for me backup. Yeah, if you wanna find me, you can go to Facebook, Remy King, YouTube, Remy King. Big up, peace, one love.